Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate hotspot on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here we can use two ways to open and activate the hotspot. The first one, you just have to open the settings applications first, and after in the settings, go to the first option, which is network and internet. And after, we'll see here the hotspot and tethering. Tap on it. To turn it on to activate the hotspot, you just have to tap on this button beside the Wi-Fi hotspot. When the button's on, which is the hotspot is activated, guys. And the second way, the simple ways to open the hotspot or to activate the hotspot, you just have to open the control center here. I'm gonna scroll it down, and we'll see this is the control center that I'm in. Now you just have to shift in to the right like this, and we'll see this is the hotspot option. And to turn it on, you just have to tap on the hotspot options like this until it will be white like this for the background. And if you don't see any hotspot option here, you just have to tap on these pen options. And after, we'll find the hotspot options at the bottom here, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.